Hello guys, hope you guys are doing good. And I recently bought the Samsung Galaxy Flip 4, and this phone is the most selling foldable phones out there in the market. And this phone will change your mind about foldable phones. I'll tell you why this phone is very good in terms of compatibility and user experience. Let's get started. So when it comes to the folding phones, Samsung is a leader in the market, and their Fold and Flip series is doing wonders. I decided to buy a phone which was compatible and user-friendly as per my daily needs, and I end up buying Flip 4 because of its look and the camera and the thing which is giving. I will give some of my reasons why Samsung Flip 4 is better than any of the bar phones which you carry around in your day-to-day life. And this is all my perspective and my findings. You might not like it, it's all up to you. But trust me on this, these features are really cool. So one of the best reasons to buy this phone is the compatibility. Once you have this phone, you can fold it in half, and this is smaller than your wallet. And you don't end up having one pocket full of your whole big bar phone, and you cannot put anything else there. Yes, most of the people will say this is not a valid excuse, but trust me, this saves a lot of space in your pocket and you can keep things. So this is one of the main reasons why this is very compatible. Now moving on to the second best feature about this phone is the cover display. You're getting 6.7-inch screen, which is the main display, but apart from that you're getting the cover display, which is 1.9-inch screen, which will help you to know what message or what kind of notification you're getting while in the meeting, and it's up to you, either you open up the phone or not. So this cover display can help you decrease your usage of the phone. So this is one of the really coolest feature which is in Galaxy Flip 4. Now let's talk about another cool feature, which is the design. So they completely changed the design from Flip 3 last year to this phone, and they have done tremendously really good in terms of design. This is more of a premium look and it's more slimmer, and the design is outstanding. The outside of the phone is aluminum finished edges, which gives it a look of a premium device. Now talking about the camera of this phone, they did really great improvements in terms of camera as well, because last year phone was not having good cameras. When we compare with the high-end premium phones, the camera was lagging in Flip 3, but in this phone they give a really good camera, which is 12 megapixel wide and 12 megapixel ultra wide. Both of the cameras are totally outstanding and they do their job perfectly. And talking about the camera, you have the front facing camera, which is 10 megapixel, but most of the times you end up taking the pictures or your selfie with the help of the cover screen. You don't even have to open the phone. You can see yourself and you can take your selfie with the primary camera. So this phone gives you this outstanding feature, and you can say this is the best selfie camera which you can get in that price. Now talking about the battery of this phone, last year Flip 3 was not having good battery. It was around 3300 mAh, but now they improved the battery and it is 3700 mAh, which lasts for a whole day in the regular day-to-day usage. So these were all the cool features about this phone, and if you guys are interested in this phone, Samsung is giving you really great offers and you can go and try this phone out yourself, and you never know, you end up liking this phone. Most of the people will say that the hinge and the crease is bothering them, but trust me, it doesn't even bother. When you use this phone daily, on day-to-day basis, the hinge doesn't even bother you, and the crease at certain point you will not even notice it. Only in the bright sunlight the crease is notable, but when you're watching movie or doing anything, the crease is not noticeable at all. So this is my first month of using this phone, and I find it really useful and really compatible when you compare with other bar phones which you carry around all day. And this is one of the coolest innovation about Samsung, and nobody is accepting it. I don't know what's the problem with the people when they're ignoring the fact that the folding phones are the next big thing in the market. And who knows, maybe next year they will come out with better and the slimmer and more compatible version of this Fold or Flip series. So this was it guys, this was all about the Samsung Galaxy Flip 4. This was all my observations and my point about this phone. Comment me and let me know if you guys like this phone, or if you don't like this, why you don't like it and why you are hesitant to try this phone out. I'll reply to your comments with the answer. And if you guys are new to my channel, feel free to subscribe and share and like this video. And make sure to hit the bell icon so that if I post anything, you are notified. So that's it for today. I'll meet you in the next episode. Until then, just take care and have a good one. Goodbye.